In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load a CSV file into Google BigQuery. Whether you're working with large datasets or performing complex analyses, loading your data correctly into BigQuery is a vital step. Let's jump right in and get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Google Cloud Console and hit Enter. You'll see a link to the Google Cloud platform appear in the search results. Go ahead and click that link. Once the page has loaded, you'll find a list of services on the left side. Look for BigQuery in the list and click to navigate to the BigQuery page. At this point, you should be looking at the BigQuery interface within the Google Cloud Console. Now, shift your eyes toward the Explorer pane on the left. It's time to select your project. Click on your specific project to expand its options, and then select the dataset you'll be working with. With your dataset selected, you will see an option within the Dataset Info section. Click on the Create Table button to move forward. Next, you'll need to specify the source of your data. Choose Upload if you're uploading a CSV file from your local system. Simply browse through your files to select the CSV that you want to upload. Alternatively, if your file is already uploaded on Google Cloud Storage, you can select that option. There's also the choice to choose the file from Google Drive if that's where you have stored your CSV. Moving along, you'll need to configure the table details. Make sure you select CSV as the file format. Now it's time to confirm where you want the data to go. Double-check that the right project and dataset are selected, and then type in a new table name of your choosing to identify this specific table you're creating. After you have named your table, you're at the step where you decide how BigQuery will understand your data's structure. Let BigQuery automatically detect the schema for you by choosing Auto Detect, which allows it to infer the schema directly from your CSV file. However, if you prefer more control, opt for the Manual Schema option, where you can define how the data columns should be interpreted. At this stage, you might also want to adjust the schema further. You can click on the Edit Schema button. This is particularly useful if you need to add new fields or modify existing ones, like changing a column from being required to being nullable. When all your configurations are done and everything looks good, find the Create Table button and click on it to initiate the loading process. And there you have it. Your CSV file is now on its way to being fully integrated into Google BigQuery. Once the process completes, you'll be ready to perform all sorts of advanced analyses and queries on your dataset. Thanks for following along, and I hope this helps you manage your data projects more efficiently.